Do you know what I love about vlogging? The fact that I can look back on my life and see how far I've come. That said, let's start the vlog! Oh my god. I did it again.
You always do that. That'll be another caption on this one, won't it? Split your nose up. Morning. It's a beautiful day out there. You often hear me say, I put the rubbish out and let's put the recycle out. So I don't know what you've got planned for today, but I'm busy, which I love. And I'm going to have a great day like you are, or a nice sleep wherever you are. Bye!
So I did the intro and I filmed Mother, and then I actually had like a moment and forgot to actually say what we're even doing today. So Mum's off to work to teach, and you guys are coming with me. I am going to town, I'm going to work out. I have a horrible 8 o'clock appointment, and then I'm going to do the Newmarket walk, but I'm going to go the other way and get on at the next train station and go and hang out in one of the other libraries. So that'll be fun, and when I come home I will edit this, and then I will do a online module because I have a leadership conference this week. Nerve-wracking. But yeah, let's go work out and then spend the rest of the day travelling and reading. I just got off the train. It's about 22:08 and my appointment is at 8 at the gym, so I really have to book it up there. Hopefully I make it. Sorry for the shakiness. Yeah, I've got to book it up there, but train ride was good. I had to go to my alternate station, but that's alright. And the train got there just as I got there, so I'm halfway up now. But in the words of my former self, even though I have no clue of the context I was speaking in, somebody remind me why I'm doing this. I really hope you can hear me over the wind, but I am done with my workout. I'm going to walk down to the train station, and I'm over halfway to my steps, so that means I can go to the closer one. I'll film it along the way, and yeah, we're going to have some fun now that the hard work is over. My hair is not even going to last. I've not even been going a minute, and it's a little bit windy here today, so like not even a minute and it's already like I tried to take a detour and I like got completely lost and actually found out that that's a dead end, so I'm off back up a steep hill, and hopefully I go the right way this time. Fingers crossed. Right, I'm up the top now. I feel like I walked up Baldwin Street, which is it's New Zealand's steepest street. It's in Dunedin. Like obviously I didn't, but that's what it feels like. Yeah, I'm up the top now again, and I should have just gone this way in the first place, but I didn't, and it's okay because now I know what's down there. But I'm walking now. lovely, lovely, lovely. It will be very nice. I had my 8 o'clock gym appointment and it was really good. I made it. I made it with 1 minute to spare. Like literally, I was just on time. So that was lucky. And my appointment and we make my training plan. And I'll see him again on Thursday. So yay! Train and it's really windy, but I am going to treat myself to some Starbucks, so that will be fun. And then I'm going to go to the library because it's my last chance to relax this week, so so I'm going to sit here and drink my Starbucks and then I'm going to go into the library. So I have been reading for a while and I'm just going to eat some lunch because I'm a little bit hungry, and then I will go back to the library. I know my hair probably looks terrible, and yes, I'm filming on my phone right now. I cannot be stuffed pulling my camera out. Probably will like on the way back, but yeah, I caught an earlier train, so I am walking through Newmarket to get a few more steps, and then I will go back and catch my train. We are home now. I think the last time I vlogged was when I was walking through Newmarket, but I could be wrong, who knows. Yeah, I am going to edit this vlog and then I will, well no, I tell a lie, first I'm going to eat some ice cream. And then I'll edit this vlog and then I will, I will do that preparation for the conference. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a happy friendly comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. See you on Friday.